Summertime is our busiest time of year. Been a lot of painting going on. There's been a lot of flooring being installed.
Over summer, while our kids are gone, they came in and demolished our old library. They've ripped up floors, old bookshelves that were outdated.
It's been a big project that has involved, flooring, electrical, painting, the cabinetry department.
New shelves, new displays, new furniture that is gorgeous. Basically, a whole new space.
At Sangaree Intermediate, we've built the circulation desk. There will be a bank of cabinets going behind that. At Westview Middle, we've replaced all the bookcases in the entire media center.
The whole facilities department is really great. They let me take some time to go to other schools and see what they had built in-house. And I fell in love with a circulation desk at Marrington Middle.
This is the circulation desk for Westview Middle. We're in the final stages of completing this project now.
It was a lot of communication, but freedom at the same time. So speaking to someone who knows their stuff. So all the bookshelves that are on the walls, our district built for us. They're beautiful. My circulation desk, it's gorgeous. I love it.
To be able to come in from a project just to get input from the administrators, from the media specialists.
We had so many different parts of the district working together. We had meetings last year where there was multiple tables and there was facilities and electricity and paint, and my principal and myself as a librarian got to have a lot of input. Really have like a group effort in making a great space for our students and our staff. I'm beyond thankful.
To build it from the ground up, to get into somebody's head and figure out what they want and what they need, and then to be able to draw that out, and then from there, actually make something kind of come to life. And then when people come in and see it and they get really excited about it, it's extremely gratifying.
I called it an oasis. It was walking into a really open, welcome environment. It's very light. It's someplace I can see kids want to hang out.
It's changed a lot.
They added a lot of color, and I like how they changed it.
We have new walls, new floors.
It definitely needed a redo.
Our principals here at Westview Middle School reached out to principals at Stratford High School, and they were able to get us student volunteers from their JROTC program.
I'm getting the big boxes that we packed up. I'm bringing them in here and I'm helping unload them.
The cadets who are here today are absolutely amazing. They're hard workers. They came in, they got right to the job. They helped with all the Chromebooks coming back into the space, all the library books.
And I got really excited because I wanted to see how it changed, see all the staff that I grew very close to while I was here, but also helping out at the same time. I had some of my best years here.
It's really neat because I've gotten to see the library completely full how it was last year, completely empty, renovated, and now we're filling it back up.
It might take us all day. It might take us, I don't know. It's gonna take a while though.
I can't even quantify the amount of hours it would have taken if it was just me and my assistant in this space doing it. I'm so thankful, I really am.
I'm honored that I get to do this, that I come in here and this is my job that I get to do, and it feels really good to be a part of a huge team, to work with all the guys in here. I feel great about it.
I cannot even say thank you enough, not only for everyone's hard work, but the amount of resources and funds that were allowed to be diverted to this project that's going to impact not only this year's students and staff, but many, many, many years to come.